guys, my name's Karen. I'm with CK Customs PA. I'm also an admin on the Facebook page Cricut Help Desk Unofficial. I want to give you a quick 60-second overview of my Epson ET-15000. When we got this, it came with your standard ink. Go ahead and put that aside, you're not going to need it. Alright, we did get the Cosmo ink. This little kit is nice because the bottles are the same size as what came with the printer, and the tops also fit the same way to load the ink into the printer as if it was that Epson ink. So when you lift up, tip this guy backwards, you put your ink right into there. We also have several different size paper. We have our sublimation paper in 8.5 by 11, 8.5 by 14, that's your legal size. And then we have the big boy, the 13 by 19. So we have in the bottom for the regular paper, regular sublimation paper that is. And then in the back, we have the 13 by 19 hanging out. That's really all you have to do to get it set up. Everything else is going to be on your computer. Have a great day.